This efficient little machine is the Walkover, and when it comes to turf management, it really does live up to its name. Simply fill its container with a liquid grass care solution and push gently. As you walk, it delivers a precise dosage to the area between its rear wheel tracks. It does this with minimum effort and at a comfortable walking pace. And if you stop walking, the machine stops spraying. The nozzles never drip when it's standing still. Just look at that, the result of a finely controlled application over a precise area. The right dose every time. Modern grass care demands such fine control. Our Walkover Groundsman provides it through its central component, a maintenance-free gear pump. Pushing the machine over grass or gravel paths is as comfortable as using a well-set mower, thanks to our remarkable pump. It is literally unique, and it's patented as such. Factory set and sealed, it has only 2 moving parts, which are maintenance-free. Such simplicity combined with very sophisticated plastics engineering gives it a near indestructible quality. Now this is the very first machine we ever sold. We recently bought it back to see how it had stood up to 4 years of professional use. The pump output is still the same as a brand new unit. To pursue the point a little further, we are trying to find the limits of wear by driving this pump at 400 revs per minute. That's 10 times its normal rate. So far there's been no measurable loss of efficiency after 100 hours of real hard work. The experiment continues. The more usual output pressure is displayed on a glycerine-filled gauge on the Groundsman model. The ideal working pressure of between 1 and 1.5 bar, that is 15 to 22 pounds per square inch, represents a pace of only 2.5 to 3 miles an hour. The pump feeds 2 individually controlled diaphragm nozzles. These cannot drip, creating hot spots. And all the time the land wheels are going forward, a fan-shaped spray pattern is produced which gives an overlapping but even application from a stable platform provided by the 4 wheels and at a height of only 4 inches above the ground. Now, spraying as directly as that means that windy conditions are no problem at all. The operator is safer from accidental contamination and surer of a precise coverage than can ever be the case with knapsacks or granular dispersal. And the 12-inch model is ideal for the average-sized garden. It puts exactly what your lawn needs exactly where it should be, just like all the others in the range. Here we see the even smaller Whippet version being put through its paces, spraying, in this case, weed killer, along the path right up to the edge of the lawn, never a drop in the wrong place. See what I mean? Now, the thing I like about the whole family of the Walkover machines is that they only use muscle power and they put total scientific control right at your fingertips. You see, if you want to shear your lawn like I do with the buttercups and daisies, then of course all the goodies you walk over onto them do the weeds, the flowers, just as much good as they do the grass. But should you need control, then you can fill the machine up with the right stuff. And there's a whole wonderful range of good chemicals on sale these days, biologically tested, biodegradable, and then off you go. And what Walkover does is put exactly the right amount in exactly the right place, and that is total control. And another thing that excites me is if you've got a rougher, tougher, bigger job to do, then there are machines that will do that just as well. Now, the one I like best of all is this, the Paddockmaster, a tough customer built to do a big job. Come with a range of fitments, all for seed beds or in between rows of plants and things. So very, very versatile. And it's on-off switch. When it's on, of course, it delivers the goods exactly where you want it at the right speed. And when it's off and you're moving from row to row, well, it keeps the whole thing well stirred up. But to me, the most exciting thing is the potential of this in the third world, to put science into agriculture where it really matters and at exactly the right level. This is a machine with great capabilities. The light and well-balanced Paddockmaster has nozzles set slightly higher to cope with uneven or awkward ground, while the towed version enables larger areas to be covered while retaining the Walkover's virtues of simplicity, durability and accuracy. All the Walkover machines are pre-calibrated so that irrespective of what the operator does, the correct dosage is always applied. On this model, a pressure release valve compensates for all speed merchants. Here, the pressure gauge indicates the correct operating speed, and the twin pumps maintain the correct pressure even if one wheel temporarily leaves the ground. All the machines in the Walkover range are safe, simple and sturdy. As far as possible, we use components which cannot rust and are unaffected by chemicals. All the others are thoroughly plated. Modifications such as boom arms and alternative nozzles are available. Requirements for special adaptations will always receive personal attention. We take a pride in our service and our products. Walkover machines are well made and they're already selling well.